If you're looking for information on the CodeMate Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The CodeMate Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the CodeMate Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the CodeMate Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Coding your project from scratch can feel like you're writing in alien hieroglyphics. Not to mention, you're also trying to patch up all the errors and bugs, which is hard enough for an experienced developer. Wouldn't it be nice if you had an AI-powered companion that could help you write bug-free code in just a few minutes? Chat with your codebase to quickly analyze and modify any code, like ChatGPT for developers. Fix logical, syntax, runtime, and other errors to debug your code in a couple minutes. CodeMate is an AI pair programmer that helps you write bug-free code in seconds inside Visual Studio Code. All you have to do is download and install the Visual Studio Code extension to start using your new AI coding assistant. In a single click, you'll be able to analyze your code for any errors and receive a list of auto-suggested changes. CodeMate's AI can detect logical, syntax, and runtime errors and fix them just like autocorrect for your code. You can have the AI review the performance and quality of your code to improve its readability and efficiency. CodeMate will provide detailed reports that include things like error handling, redundant code, unneeded comments, and so much more. This is especially useful for self-taught devs eager for detailed feedback that'll help them improve their coding skills. You can also interact with your code via the ChatGPT-like chatbot, with the option to connect to the internet for more up-to-date information. Now you can generate code using simple English prompts to write entire programs in just a few seconds. Ask specific questions from your codebase using the chat window to quickly understand code written by other team members. You also have the freedom to instruct the AI assistant to modify your code, cutting down on more manual work. CodeMate even lets you import public GitHub repositories, so you can train your AI coding assistant on the code that's relevant to your project. That way, you'll get the right answers about specific open-source code and projects, rather than generic results on Google. You can use these repositories to instruct the AI to write compatible or similar code, making it easier to collaborate. With AI on your side, creating elegant code might have just gotten a little too easy. CodeMate makes writing bug-free code a breeze with AI-powered debugging, code review, and the ability to chat directly with your codebase. Crank out clean code. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to CodeMate today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.